What's up mga ka-meow meow? Welcome back to my channel. I'm still your Chef Meow, #feelingerang pusa. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please click this and don't forget the bell button para updated ka. Are you looking for a quick and easy made meal? Well, I have a recipe for you. This has the chicken teriyaki rice bowl. So wait nyo lang yan.
Like the kitty in the house, we sing na 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 na. Like the cutie on the prowl, come on now, 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 now. Like my heart is beating out, fascination of your smile. Whatever you do, I do now, now, now.
Isang maikling lang na to. Shoutout ko lang yung mga friends ko na sumusupport sa vlogs ko. And lalagyan ko yung name nyo para malaman nyo na sinoutout ko kayo and love ko kayo. Kay Sir Dudong and the JVR team, thank you. Kahit lagi na ko is pinapanood nyo pa rin yung mga videos ko. And kay Ate Rose na hindi nagpapalagpas daw ng video ko. Gusto niya pa isasend ko ng personal sa kanyang messenger. Dianara and Joel, soon to be married. Congratulations, inunahan ko na kayo. So, pag-isipan nyo kung magiging ninang niyo ako. At kay Mami Kat, this one for you. And of course, shout out dun sa manager ko. Hi, Miss Julie. Alam mo kung bakit kita shoutout, diba? So, health is wealth daw. So, that's it guys. Keep watching. Love you.